This is 13 WMAZ Eyewitness News Morning.
Well, I'm out here with Dr. Bernard Hodges. Welcome.
Hey, how are you?
And you brought Bailey, one of our favorite dogs.
Bailey here.
Now, is Bailey good about taking her heartworm medication?
Fortunately, she is.
Oh, good.
Very important.
It is very important because this is a real threat to dogs and cats.
It is a threat to dogs and cats. People are very surprised. It is a very treatable disease. You can treat it for probably the cost of Starbucks coffee. So, but it is very expensive and it is a very deadly thing.
Okay, so what you're saying is that it is expensive or it is not really?
It is very cheap. These pills probably will cost you about $40 for a 6-month supply, whereas to treat heartworms is anywhere from $400 to $1,000, and sometimes it's fatal regardless of if we treat or not.
Wow, what I love about Dr. Hodges is that he always brings these wonderful things that actually show you what happens when a heartworm, because how do dogs and cats get heartworms?
Exactly. Heartworms come from mosquitoes. It has to be a host. Your dog cannot catch heartworms from dog to dog. It has to go through a mosquito. Mosquito bites the dog, and it goes around and it affects another dog. And what happens is those mosquitoes actually grow, and they grow into the heart. And if you kind of look here, this is an actual replica of how it looks. As they grow, and these heartworms can live in your dog for roughly 7 years.
That's incredible.
7 years.
So if it's growing inside the heart like this, obviously the heart is having to work a lot harder.
A lot harder.
Right.
You start seeing cardiovascular problems. Your dog won't want to go on walks, can't exercise. You see the coughing, and it oftentimes is fatal. But if you take them to your veterinarian, you can.
There you go.
Just like a simple test, in about 3 minutes, you can get your results. What we'll do is grab a little blood, go back 3 minutes, we have the results. And if your dog is heartworm negative, we will put you on these simple preventatives.
Now, let me ask you, when you go to your vet,
Yes.
a box store,
Right.
online, you have so many choices.
Right.
Is there anything when you buy a heartworm medication that it must be in this medication?
You want to make sure that the two tried and trues are ivermectin and mibacine oxime, and they both work great. They've been around for many years, tried and true. You can get them with flea protection. You can get them without flea protection. But the biggest thing is just make sure it has ivermectin in it. Make sure it has mibacine oxime, your choice.
I'm not even going to ask you to spell those. How about that? Sounds good. Dr. Hodges, thanks so much.
No
Bailey, I'm sure that these are treated nicely, so you'll take it right down.
Perfect.
Good dog. All right, we'll be right back.